today's date and give heading exercise 2. Exercise 2, question number 2 is subtract. You have to subtract the given numbers. Question number 8. The numbers are 51,834 minus 20,512. Okay, what is the first step? First step is you have to first write down the place value, then arrange the numbers according to their place value. Okay. First write down the place value. 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens, ones. Now arrange the number according to their place. 51,834. Next number is 20,512. Now subtract the number. How to subtract the number? Start subtracting from very right side, that is from ones place. Okay. So digits in ones place is 4 and 2. Subtract 2 from 4. So we will get 2. 3 minus 1 is 2. 8 minus 5, 3. 1 minus 0 is 1 and 5 minus 2 is 3. Okay. So our answer is 31,322. Okay. Moving to next question. Question number B. Question number B is your homework. I am explaining question number C. Question number C is 33,333 minus 12,321. Okay. Arrange the numbers according to their place. 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens and ones. Now arrange the number. 3, 3, that is 33,333 minus 12,321. So when we will subtract, we will start from ones place. So 3 minus 1 is 2, 3 minus 2 1, 3 minus 3 0, 3 minus 2 1, 3 minus 1 is 2. So our answer is 21,012. Okay. Now B is your homework. B is also your homework. I am going to explain question number E. Number E. Number E, the number is 74,156 minus 25,364. Arrange the number according to their place. That is 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens and ones. Now leave one line, leave space. After leaving one line, write down the number. Okay. 7, 4, 1, 5, 6. Next number is 2, 5, 364. Okay. So when we will subtract 6 minus 4 is 2. 5 minus 6. So 5 is a smaller value. So 5 will take carryover from previous numbers. कि पहला जो number है उससे number carry लेगा, borrow करेगा. So 5 will become 15. 1 will become 0 because 1 is given one number to 5. So 1 क्या हो जाएगा? 0 हो जाएगा. Now 15 minus 6 is 9. Now 0 minus 3 is possible? No. So this 0 will take carry over from 4. 4 will become 3 and this 0 will become 10. Okay? 10 minus 3 is 7. Now again 3 minus 5 is not possible. So this 3 will take carry over from 7. 7 will become 6 and 3 will become 13. Okay? So 13 minus 5 is 8 and 6 minus 2 is 4. So our answer is 48,792. Clear? F is your homework. Moving to question number G. Question number G. The number is 93, that is 93,150 minus 87,767. Okay? Arrange the number according to their place. Yes, Apurva?
यस मैम मैंने ये बोल रहे थे कि जो अभी जो जूम मीटिंग कर रहे हैं उसका मेरा नेम ना मम्मी के नेम से हो गया, क्या आप नेम कर दो ना?
Rename?
यस मैम मैम रेणु जैन के मैम मम्मी के नाम से हो गया.
Yes, Apurva. Okay. Done? Now, arrange the number according to their place. So the places are 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens, ones. Leave one line after writing the place value. Okay? Because अगर ऐसे carry over रहेगा, so leave one line, then arrange the number according to the place. So 93115, that is 93,150 minus 87,767. So 5 minus 7. So what we will do? We will take 5 will take carry from 1. 1 will become 0 and 5 will become 5 क्या हो जाएगा? 15. Okay. So 15 minus 7 is 8. 0 minus 6 is possible? No. So 0 will take carry over from 1. 1 फिर क्या हो जाएगा? 0 and this 0 will become 10. 10 minus 6 is 4. Okay. Now again 0 minus 7, not possible. So this 0 will take carry from 3. 3 will become 2 and this 0 will become 10. 10 minus 7 is 3. 2 minus 7, again not possible. So this 2 will take carry over from 9. It will take borrow from 9. So 9 will become 8 and 12 will become 2 will become 12. So 12 minus 7 is 5. Okay. Now 8 minus 8 is 0. So our answer is 5,348. Okay. Giving a minute. Write down fast. Rakshita, write down. Good. Okay. हम गेस कर दें। बोलो बेटा। What is happening here? Done everyone writing? Written? Okay. So now let's move to next question, that is question number I. Question number I of question number 2 subtract. So the number that you have to subtract is 24,008 minus 21,778. Okay. Arrange the number. So the place values are 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens, ones. Leave one line and then write down the number 24008. Next number is 21,778. Okay. Now 8 minus 8 is 0. 0 minus 7 possible? No. So this 0 will take carryover from previous number. But here also previous number is 0. So it will take carryover from its previous number, that is from 4. So this 4 will become 3. This 0 will become 9. And this 0 will become 10. Okay. Now 10 minus 7 is 3, 9 minus 7 is 2, 3 minus 1 is 2 and 2 minus 2 is 0. Okay, so our answer is 2230. Done everyone this much? Should I rub the board? Okay, moving to question number J is your homework. Let me explain question number K. Question number K, and write down the numbers of question properly. Okay, जो number है वही numbering देना बेटा. 62,345 minus 17,828. Okay. So the place values are 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens, ones. Arrange the number. 6, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next number is 17,828 minus. So 5 minus 8, not possible. This 5 will take carry over from previous number, that is 4. So 4 will become 3, 5 will become 15. So 15 minus 15 minus 8 is 7. 3 minus 2, 1. Now 3 minus 8. So again this 3 will take carry over from previous number. So this 3 will become 13. This 2 will become 1. 13 minus 8 is 5. Okay. 1 minus 7, not possible. So this 1 will take carry over from previous number, that is 6. 6 will become 5 and 1 will become 11. 11 minus 7 is 4 and 5 minus 1 is 4. So answer is 44,517. Okay. This is your question number G. Question number 2 is complete. Remaining leftover question is your homework. Okay, that is question number B, D, F, H, J and L. Okay. It is for your practice and you have to write the questions in homework copy. Okay. Let's move to next question, question number 3. Question number 3 is subtract the greatest 5-digit number from the smallest 6-digit number. Now what is greatest 5-digit number? That is 9 times 5. है ना? And smallest 6-digit number. Smallest 6-digit number is 1 lakh. Okay, so you have to subtract smallest greatest 5-digit number from the smallest 6-digit number. Yes, Apurva?
मैम होमवर्क कॉपी भी बनानी है, टेस्ट कॉपी कैसे बनाना है, होमवर्क कॉपी भी बनानी है.
Yes, so where in which copy you are writing all the homework questions?
No, yes मैम, क्योंकि मैम मेरे को लगा कि होमवर्क कॉपी नहीं बनानी है, इसमें लिखना है, क्योंकि मैं जब
Okay, write down your question, homework question in your homework copy. So, question number, solution number 3, I am not writing the question. Write down the answer directly. You have to write question. I am not writing the question. I am writing the solution part. Okay. So, smallest 6-digit number is equals to, what is smallest 6-digit number? 1 lakh. Okay. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. Okay, 1 lakh is the smallest 6-digit number and greatest 5-digit number is 5 times 9, that is 99,999. Okay, so you have to subtract this two number. You have to subtract greatest 5-digit number from smallest 6-digit number. So now subtract the number. What we will get? So 0 minus 9. 0 minus 9. The 0 will become 10. Okay. 0 will become 10. From how it is becoming 10? Because it is taking carry over from previous number. What is previous number here? Previous number is 0. So 0 will take carry over from 1. zero will take carryover from previous zero. So ये सारे all the zero will become 9 because ये सारे numbers zero है. ये किससे carry ले रहे हैं? ये 1 से. This 1 will become 0. Now subtract the number. 10 minus 9 is 1. 9 minus 9 0. 9 minus 9 0. 9 minus 9 0. 9 minus 9 0. So our answer is 1. Okay. Our answer is 0 0 0 0 1. So when we subtract greatest 5-digit number from smallest 6-digit number, the answer is, the difference is 1. Okay. Clear? Clear, Bhavya? Okay. Dakshita, show me where are you writing? Show me a copy, Dakshita. Yes, Nishya, what happened? Nishya, any doubt? Okay, so here our exercise 2 is complete. Now let's move to exercise 3. Okay, so from new page, give heading exercise 3. Till now we have done 5-digit subtraction. Now we will see 6-digit number subtraction. Okay, subtraction of larger numbers. Okay, अभी तक हमने 5-digit देखा, 5-digit subtraction. Now we will see 6-digit number subtraction. Give heading exercise 3. Done, everyone? Vaibhav, are you checking your answer? Answers check कर रहे हो? Check your answers whether your answer is correct or not. Show me where you have done, Vaibhav. Show me where you have done, Vaibhav. Where you have written. Write it properly and in a proper way, Vaibhav. Okay, only 10 minutes left. Any doubt till now? Otherwise, we will move to exercise 3. Okay, let's move to exercise 3. Question number 1 is subtract. But now we will deal with subtraction of 6-digit numbers. अभी तक हमने subtraction of 5-digit number देखा. Now we will see subtraction of 6-digit number. Okay. Question number 1 is subtract number A. Number A is, the number is 2,85,469 Next number is 1,35,344. Okay. Subtraction of 6-digit number is also same. You have to subtract the number from ones place. Start subtracting the number from ones place. Okay. So 9 minus 5 is 9 minus 4 is 5. 6 minus 4 is 2. 4 minus 3 1. 5 minus 5 is 0. 8 minus 3 is 5. 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay. First, abhi आप ये write down this in your book. If you have book, write down this in your book. After the class, write down this in your copy. Okay. I am explaining A. Next question is B. B is your homework. I am explaining C. The numbers are 8,64,380 minus 44,000. Sorry, 4,43,207. So 8 minus 7 is 1. 8 minus 7 is 1. 1 minus 0, 1. 3 minus 2, 1. 4 minus 3 is 1. 6 minus 4, 2. And 8 minus 4 is 4. So answer is 4,21,111. First answer is 1,50,125. Okay. Question number D is your homework. I am explaining E. So from exercise 3, B, D and F is your homework. Question number 1 of exercise 3. B, D and F is your homework. Question number E. The number is 5,32,640 minus 2,75,324. Okay. So 0 minus 4, 0 will take carryover from previous number. So this 0 will become 10, 4 will become 3. So 10 minus 4 is 6, 3 minus 2, 1. 6 minus 3 is 3. 2 minus 5 is not possible. So this 2 will take carryover from 3. So 3 will become 2 and this 2 will become 12. Okay. 12 minus 5 is 7. This 2 will take carryover from 5. So 5 will become 4 and 2 will become 12. 12 minus 7 is 5. 4 minus 2, 2. So our answer is 2,57,316. Okay. Only 5 minutes left. If you have any doubt, ask me. Any doubt in today's class?